What's going on, everybody? This is Ken. Today I wanted to do a video sponsored by dailylab. They sent me some fragrance for my car that I've been looking for, and they happened to reach out to me at the right time, did a little research on them, and it seemed like some very good premium products that they're sending. And reading the reviews, it seems like their scents are really good. But of course, I cannot tell you how these things smell. I am not one of those fragrance persons that can tell you all the hints and all the things and how it smells. I can just be like an everyday person and just try to explain to you as best as I can. They did send me a couple of fragrances for each. There are two different ones you can choose from. One is more visible in the car, and as you'll see later in the video, and the other one fits pretty much where you can't even see it for the most part. But the first one is a Star Glow Diffuser, and the second one is the Aroma Stick Diffuser. Let's go. This is everything that they sent me. The presentation, the boxes are top notch to me. So the first one is a Star Glow Diffuser. So that's this one right here. The colors that it come in is Space Gray, Pearl White, and Star Glow. This one, of course, the color that I chose was the Space Gray. And this is how it looks right here. And hopefully you can see that. And when you take this off, you'll be able to see it's kind of like a matte type finish. And on the back of it, it has where it kind of fits in those grooves in your Tesla air conditioning vents. It's aluminum. It's not plastic. Once you pay for it, it should last for a very, very long time. And then how you open it, you just kind of finger like this. The top will come. And you just do this. I like that. And that's how the inside of that one looks, which is really, really cool. Just stick your fragrance in there and then pop the top back on there. It is magnetic, and then enjoy your fragrance. Let's go to the next one. Second one, Aroma Stick Diffuser. So inside here, great packaging. No cheap boxes whatsoever. Okay. Once you purchase it, you get a set of two, which to me is a really, really good deal. The product colors gold or black, and you'll probably be able to see them a little bit more, but it's like a little pill. Once you put that in the car, you definitely will not see this as much as you would the previous product that I showed you. They're premium, and that's what I like about it. Very, very, very premium. So here they give you like two diffusers right here. It says 2 pieces. I think that's 2 per. Yeah, since you have 2 in the box, you're probably going to get 2 of each. Then there's a couple more things in here. I really don't know what they are. I'm not really sure what these are. If I find out what these are, I'll put it in the video, but I'm not really sure what this is. But it has dailylab. What is this? It's just probably like little accessories that you can have. So all of these are the refills. Besides this one, this is to test all of their fragrances. And I'm probably going to do that on camera so you can laugh at me to see if they smell good or not. Haven't really tried it. But these are all the scents they sent me. And it has all the names on them. And I can already smell them. And they smell so good. They're not overpowering. I don't want to open it. But for an example, they have Petit Grain and Cedar is one. Oh, that might be my favorite. Very mild, not in your face type smells. Kind of like one that I can think of is like one popular fragrance that used to like put on your rearview mirror was the Black Ice. Black Ice smelled good. I used to rock Black Ice, but it was just overbearing. These are not like that. So the first diffuser that I do have is the Star Glow Diffuser. And all I did was take off the pilling in the front, and I'm going to tell you this feels cold to the touch. So that lets you know this is aluminum. This is not plastic material whatsoever. So on the back also, I'm going to have to peel this part off as well. All right, so we got that back part off. The ones that I chose was the citrus tea. Time I open it, it smells so good. Just take this top part off like I showed you earlier in the video, where it just pops off like that. And like I said, it's magnet. Grab that, put that in there just like that, as you can see right here. And then it's just a magnet. I already smell it. It smells good. To install this diffuser with the silicone plug on the back side, which is right here, on top of the dash, slide it all the way to the left or right, about 3 inches to the end to get it fixed tightly and avoid possible damage to the trim. So what I found, because I already have this right here, so I'm just going to do it towards probably here. And I'm just tucking that, and you see it's not moving at all. I could leave it right here if I want. And if you want, you can just slide it. It's not moving. It's in there moving it, and it feels really good. Actually, I thought it would stick out, but since I got space gray, it really just matches the dash. Now on to the Aroma stick diffuser. And I don't know if I can get a really good look at this, but it does have dailylab's branding on it. I don't know if you can see that. I'm just going to take that top off like that. This top is a magnet as well. You'll see it'll just click back in there just like this with no force. You got to pull it a little bit to get it off. So let's go ahead and get one of these sticks. And what I'm using on this one is the grapefruit jar fragrance. And I'm going to tell you, time I opened it, it smells like grapefruit. And it's not loud at all. Take that stick there, stick it in there just like that. Then I'm going to just take that top, put it back on. It's going to be like a little magnet. And that's it. What this is to get this in the grooves down here. So I'm going to take one off because remember, with the Aroma stick, you get 2 of them in the package, okay? So I got to figure out, because it won't sit in there just like that. It still moves. So I got to figure out on the back how to fit this. Okay, I think I got it. Maybe. Oh, man. All right, so it just fits there. So that's the back here. Oh, man. It's in there. See, it's not moving. It won't move left to right at all. So you get to pick which one do you like, the Star Glow or the Aroma stick. It just really depends on your preference. It looks really good. Their products are so premium, very well thought out. Even if you have one of these covers for your dashboard, no issues whatsoever. Let's get this video closed out. Okay, hopefully everybody enjoyed this. I'm very excited. It smells so good and it's just not too loud. It's just like perfect. And the quality of the product, the quality of the boxes that they sent, I mean, it's really good. If you would like to check it out, it's in my affiliate link in the description below. It's YouTube again. See you in the next video.